Think spreadsheets are just boring grids filled with numbers? Think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn those Excel skills into cold, hard cash. Yes, that's right. Excel can take you from office zombie to digital nomad on a beach. Let's dive in. All right, so here's the deal. Excel is not just for number crunching. It's a gold mine of opportunities waiting for you to dig in. You know what they say? With great spreadsheets comes great profitability. Or, something like that. First up, data analysis. Small businesses are drowning in data, but often don't have a clue how to turn it into something useful. That's where you come in, an Excel wizard ready to save the day. Whether it's sales trends, customer behavior, or expense tracking, you can make it all look like magic. Just remember, to a small business, a clean, clear chart is worth its weight in gold, or at least in decent invoices. Next on the money train, budgeting templates. Everyone needs a budget, but most people would rather spend their weekends binge-watching shows than setting one up. That's where you come in. Create sleek, easy-to-use templates that do all the work for them. You can even sell these on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Make it aesthetic, add some bells and whistles like auto-calculations, and boom! You're not just selling a spreadsheet, you're selling peace of mind. And who wouldn't pay for that? If you really want to impress, offer report automation. This is like Excel on steroids. Imagine a report that updates itself while you sip your coffee, or let's be real, your third energy drink of the day. It's all about using formulas, pivot tables, and some behind-the-scenes wizardry with macros. Business owners love it because it saves them hours, and hours are money. Plus, it's super satisfying to hit that refresh button and watch the magic happen. But wait, there's more. Get ready to unleash your inner game designer. For those of you with a creative streak, how about making Excel games or quizzes? Yes, you heard that right. People actually pay for these quirky creations. From simple trivia quizzes to mind-bending logic puzzles, you can turn Excel into a mini arcade. Imagine that. It's a quirky niche, but hey, it's fun and profitable. Who knew spreadsheets could be so entertaining? Whether it's for education, team building, or just procrastinating at work, there's a market for fun Excel tools. Seriously, who knew you could make money from turning Excel into an amusement park? Let the games begin. So, how do you get started? Easy. Head over to sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn. Set up a profile, showcase your best work, and start pitching. The key here is to highlight the pain points you solve, like saving time, making data understandable, or just adding some much-needed fun to finances. Don't forget to use keywords like Excel expert, data analyst, or budgeting pro in your descriptions. And if you're feeling brave, throw in spreadsheet sorcerer for that extra flair. There you have it. From data analysis and budgeting templates to automating reports and creating quirky Excel games, there's no shortage of ways to cash in on your spreadsheet skills. So, grab your mouse, fire up Excel, and start earning. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on which Excel hustle you're going to try first. Let's make that Excel gold, people.